Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'd like to focus on the offset feature with Creo Parametric 4.0. You know that I always start from scratch, so we can start and create new 3D model, and what we need to specify is the 3D is the name and some geometry. We will start with really easy shape, and it will be only some base extrude feature with some dimensions. If you don't want to see some object from the flyout menu, you can use the right mouse button, or you can select all and system will automatically disable datum features. So have a look here. Right now it's not possible to use the offset feature, and offset feature is most used feature if you work with surface modeling. But I'd like to show you that you can use it for everyday use and combine offset feature in different ways. So how to do it and how to create. So what is necessary to do if you would like to start with offset feature? You need to select the geometry. It means you need to select the surface. Right now, if you select the surface, the system shows you the flyout menu. You can use it directly from here, or you can use the icon from the menu in the ribbon. The standard offset is if you select only surface and directly you specify dimensions. So you can see that I can offset that surface or selected surface and specify any value. You can set the positive or negative value. You can drag or you can specify the value by keyboard. The necessary value you can specify here, and if you confirm, the system will create for you the offsetted surface. So that was easy. So you can really easy offset existing geometry. So I will delete created one, and the question is how to offset the geometry and specify some modification. So I'd like to modify the shape a little bit. I will create the surface because we would like to create some specific shape, and I'd like to explain to you how the system works. So I will create the spline here with some dimensions, yeah? This spline will create for me the surface, and based on that surface you can select the shift key and the system will automatically snap the selected edge or surface, yeah, and system will select the information to select it. I know that you know, but I'd like to show you one more time if you watch my video tutorial the first time. And if you like this function, have a look on my old video tutorials and you will learn more about every feature with Creo Parametric. So it was easy. The second feature what I have created was the surface object, and based on that surface I'd like to use the function Solidify. You know that with Solidify feature you can add or remove material. So I'd like to really easy reuse the surface, and the system will create nice cut for me. Okay, you can ask me, you can create standard extrude feature and make a cut. Yes, it's true, but I'd like to show you more and show you, for example, how to reuse the Solidify feature with surface modeling. And here is the question, that we have that surface, and this surface we can offset. Yeah, so for this example I will use the flyout menu, and right now I can specify the offset. But question is, you can offset and the system will create the nice offset surface. But here is the question, that if you will create a really big offset, the system doesn't create offsetted surface. And why? Okay, here is the answer, that offset always in default configuration normal to surface. What is happened? Or what is the maximum value of the offsetted surface? I will show you that you can reuse the analysis, and this analysis is radius. If you create the analysis and the name of this feature is the radius, and you select the surface, the system will show you maximum offset value for your surface. And if you create this offset, the system will create for you the shape. So you need to create this offset distance or less. So example, yeah, I will go back, I will select the surface, I will offset, and my value will be this one. So this is the maximum value what you can reuse, and system will create for you the offset or something less. Yeah, you can see here, you can set less. Create or something bigger, yeah, so approximately. So here is the question how to system count. But maybe it will be better if you will have some visualization. So you can reuse again different kind of analysis feature. And you can use the function offset analysis. And if you use the offset analysis, you can use the value. And if you use this value, what is the maximum offset or radius, the system will show you how it will be looks, the offset. And if you set more, you can see what's happened. Yeah, you can see over there is the intersection, and this is the reason why the system cannot create the offset feature for you. So over here you can see that this offset analysis is really useful with combination of the analysis radius, where the system show you the maximum offset value. Okay, so it was really quick example how to reuse and create base offset surface feature with Creo Parametric 4.0. Stay in touch, and next time I'll show you more about the offset, because you can see here that if you work with offset feature, we have more than one options. So stay tuned, and bye bye. Vladimir.